Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Matt, and I'm your expert on everything both smartphone and photo. But in this video, it's going to be a little bit different. We're going to do a quick review on this Nintendo Switch 2 case. I've gone through about 3 or 4 cases since I picked up my Switch 2, and so far I think I like this one the best. And what this is it's a Skull & Co. Savage Raven StandGrip case. Now I like this one specifically because they do come in different shapes and sizes, but I wanted one that had a protective front plate, which this one does. For $24.99 and with Amazon next day delivery, I figured I would give it a shot, and so far I really like it. So jumping right into just showing you how it comes on and off, you just have a pull tab on the right side and the left side, push them up, and it comes right off. It just hooks from the back and then clicks down. And this is what the Switch looks like with just the case on. Here's the back of it. So nothing too crazy, but it is well designed. It's got a smooth contour around the grips, and what I ended up really liking about this is the grips aren't huge, but they're well rounded in a way to where it kind of swoops or slides over in the hand to where it's really comfortable and it feels kind of wide. So they did a good job with the ergonomics of this grip. Some other sleeper feature that I noticed is the bottom is flat. So if you want, you could just sit it down here, and it's at a slight back angle, but you can just set it down flat and it'll stand up. I thought that was pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it off real quick. I'll start by peeling back the top, and then I'm just gonna pull the Switch out. Really easy. Nice, durable feeling silicone rubber material. Got a nice grip texture right here. Let's go ahead and slide it back in, and then I'll bring the back over, and yeah, just super easy. Of course, there's no issues with accessing any of your top UI. You got cutouts for the game card, the Type-C, the vent fan, the volume buttons, everything that should be there. And the last thing that I thought was, usually with a case like this, you can't still dock it, but let's just kind of try it anyway. And yeah, it kind of just stops right there. Pretty tight going in, so I would say definitely no, not a dockable case, but that's kind of expected in my opinion. I think this thing is actually still a really great product, especially given the price, and it's well designed, and you've got this excellent top lid. I mean, this right here is super easy to be able to just throw it in a backpack and go, and I don't have to worry about it. So I like that a lot. Oh, but also, if you plug it in and it starts charging or something, you actually can, it's kind of just smoked out, but you actually kind of can still see the Switch screen through the top plate, which I thought that was kind of cool also. So real quick, I found the box that it came in, and it looks like you can get the case without the top shield, but I got the bundle, so it did come with it. Also, if we look on the back here real quick, it looks like the stand design is at exactly 75 degrees. Yeah, this is what it says on the back, so pretty straightforward stuff. Full transparency, I do have a D brand grip case on order coming for this, but I ordered it like a month and a half ago plus. I got kind of tired of waiting, but once it finally does come in, I will most likely be switching on over to that. But in the meantime, I actually really like this guy a lot. I can 100% recommend it. In my opinion, they probably could have charged more, at least like, I don't know, 35 bucks instead of the 25. But yeah, the price is right. Click the link down below if you want to pick one up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.